have all the speakers here. That's very important. Oh, please sit up front here. We have reserved seat for the speakers here. Yeah. So, sit here.
Tom, you can sit on your own.
And do you see anyone? Oh. I have one somewhere. Is there reserve? And in case the speaker are not aware of the order, that's very important, so let's take a quick look. Right. So we're gonna have me opening, and Tom, Dongbo, Slayer, Andrew, and Shangguan here. Hello. Hi. And then we have Dr. Zhen Lei. Is he here? Right. And then we're gonna have Ian and Audrey and Peter, Kirby. All right. Excellent. So okay, we're gonna go opening. So thank you all for coming tonight. So as you might know, we have a very special event called Ignite Open Data tonight, in coincidence with the visit from the UK Open Data delegation from the UK, of course. And so this event is going to be very, well, slides of auto fancy, so I must keep up. So I'm CL, and that's my Twitter handle if you want to follow me. I got into all this open data and the civic hacking stuff because I had a paragliding accident. I was hospitalized, and I got bored, right? So at this time, I want to offer my warmest welcome to the UK delegation. Welcome to the future, because time zone-wise, we're in the future, right? So as you might notice now, the slides are auto-moving, so it's like tremendous amount of pressure for the speakers. That's why we get them beer first. But you might wonder, like, everyone's got 20 slides and 15 seconds for each one. What happens when you're going to be like running late for second slides? Well, if you notice, this is the second slide, it's exactly the same content. So you're allowed to do that, that's fine. So tonight's event will be live streaming, and also recording will be available online. And for this event, actually, because it's a convention for tech people to write their own slide presenter before their talk. So for this event, I wrote some small tools to do the auto-advancing page turning thing on GitHub. And it was 2 days ago, we already got 3 contributors helping with the code. So tonight's event, we are having it in collaboration with the British Trade Office here in Taipei, and also the IDB board minister. Oops. Also causing this, it will come back. And so I'm representing the Open Culture Foundation in Taiwan, and basically we want to do like empowering people working on open data and open source. So last year, in collaboration with the GovZero community, we had our first summit, which is also supported by the Open Culture Foundation. And that was November. If you were in this room earlier, you might be watching the keynote, opening keynote from David Eves. And of course, we want to do a lot of international collaboration. There is a lot of tech people collaborating already, and this is just like we want to do with the UK visitors as well. So the event is also supported by the COSCUP staff. COSCUP is the largest open source conference in Taiwan. Last year, I think we had almost 2,000 people, right? So anyway, so if you want to see more of this event, we appreciate very much for your support for the Open Culture Foundation. And well, this is donation URL. It'll take a while. Anyways, was that a slide? No, that's only one. Anyway, so we're gonna start it now. We'll have 11 speakers, and after that, it's more food. And I mean, this event is more about networking, like talking to the people. Because you know, just now there's already someone congratulating me for the success of this event. It hasn't started yet. I said, oh, the food is great. It must be great, right? All right, so, oh, before we start, can I give you some gifts? So we have some gift for the UK delegation, one for each of you, but well, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Right. So yeah.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here. Shall I distribute them later?
Yeah, we'll do it later.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah. All right. So Tom is the head of research for the UK Open Data Institute. Without much more introduction, I think you can talk much better than I do introducing yourself, right?
Well, maybe you should have a go. There's some slides.
All right. Anyway, so let's welcome Tom, please.
Thank you.